Vechain holders, my friends, how do you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Vechain. What's going on in the Vechain, what's the current price of Vechain, what's the price of Vechain. In this video I will share the latest update. But my friends, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of the Vechain is 0.085497 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so you can see, my friends, from the yesterday the changes occurring in the Vechain is going good. From the yesterday, my friends, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day changes occurring in the Vechain is positive, my friends. So absolutely, my friends, if the changes is positive, that's mean that the price is also start increasing, my friends. And my friends, I believe, I'm sure my target for Vechain is $1 USD in this July month. You can see, my friends, now gradually, my friends, gradually, not a quick jump over in the Vechain, gradually the Vechain start pumping. You can see from the price chart that's clear for everybody, my friends, that Vechain start pump slowly, not a quick jump over in the Vechain, my friends. My friends, there is a possibility that after 26 June the Vechain take a quick jump, my friends. But now currently there is not a possibility to that they take a quick jump, my friends. Anyways, so we can't say about the future. Maybe the price pump, maybe the price jump in the future, but that's only my personal prediction about Vechain. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.